What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be working on 2017 Honda Civic 10th generation, replacing or doing a maintenance on the transmission oil. It's just a drain and refill. First thing you need to do is remove the bottom cover. It's flat. Actually, first thing you need to do is you put your car on a jacks or stand, whatever it may be. Just make sure you are safe, and then remove all the retainers, flat head, and this will pop down. And then get your 3/8. The plug, the drain plug, is right over here, and just put that in. Here we go. Just pull it towards you. I already cracked it open, so this is lefty loosey. Oh, it's pretty hot. And don't forget to open the top as well, that way it doesn't do this. So if when you open the top, what happens is that it actually doesn't make that gargling looking thing. Amazingly, that's the oil, how black it is. It's reflecting, almost look like a water. If you get a white paper, you can see how dirty it is. See, it's not red anymore. Anyway, let's put this thing back in the bottle. All right, don't forget to clean this off. I already cleaned it, so you could just use a rag. Make sure there's no debris on it, and then replace this. Put a brand new crush washer. And for the transmission oil, make sure you get the HCF2-2. If you go to the auto store, I'll go got this brand, Castrol Transmax CVT. If you flip it in the back, it says right over there in the middle of the screen, Honda HCF2. So this is compatible with that. Or if you are a Honda guy, you could go to the dealer and get one of these 4 bottles of these. Yeah, and then I'm gonna remove this. This actually came from right over there. So we're gonna be filling it up right there. So just take it off from here. I don't need to remove this. Now, if you have a manual transmission, they have a bigger air box, I think. I'm not sure. Or the sport version. The manual one, you have to remove this because the filler plug, I think it's on the right side. But for the automatic one, it's just that you just need to unplug this right over there. Now to tighten it, is push it towards the driver's side or towards the back of the car. I forgot how many pounds of torque, but tight enough. You'll feel it when it's tight, just like this. Don't over tight it anymore. There you go. Should be tight enough. All right, let's start filling it up. You grab one of those long funnel. So here we go. First bottle. Gluk, 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 gluk. 2, 3, and the 4th bottle. Now you might get less or more than me depending on the elevation of the car, and this is the reason why I had to measure what came out, and I got to put back what came out. So that's what you need to do. Unless you have a lift, then you'll be able to exactly remove certain amount, or if you have a flat ground, then that's what you need to do. But anyway, that's how much it came out, and that's how much I'm going to put back in on a cool to the touch liquid that is not hot. All right, 4 quarts. Please recycle appropriately. Bring it back to your auto store. Old oil. All right, so I'll put everything back on the bottom belly. Make sure you fasten all the screws, and then you're gonna put back the little plug right over here. Take out the drain. I kind of drain it more that way I don't have any drips or anything. So just put it in there. Where are you? Come on. There you go. There you go. And then start the car. Go ahead and start the car. All right, so put everything on gears, reverse, drive, next gear, and the last gear. All right, and then now put it back to park. All right, guys, so in the olden days, you kind of drive the car front, back, forward with the drive, and then you come and measure it, and then you top it off if you're short. But on this particular new vehicles, they don't have that measurement on that. So I guess that's about it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that helps you replace your drain and refill for your Honda Civic 10th generation, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2021. Anyway, subscribe if you can. God bless. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye, everyone. Catch you in my next video. Peace. Where's my hand? There you go. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye.